Morning, sir.
Good morning. Yesterday, intermediate results were released.
Yes, sir.
My students got good result.
Yes.
Many of my students got out of 75 out of 75 in my paper.
Wow.
Nearly 400 students are in my sections. I'm teaching nearly 400 students. Out of
Mhm.
those 400 students, only 13 students were not successful.
Oh,
That means nearly 97 or 98% for my sections, for my classes.
yes.
Excellent result. And Hritik also got good marks.
Yes.
Right, very good.
Yeah, he told me.
It plays major role in intermediate. Um,
Yes.
overall state percentage is 78%. Second year pass percent 78. First
Yes,
year
sir.
pass, junior inter pass percentage 67% statewide. Okay, my college topper got 988 marks out of 1000 marks in my college.
Oh,
1000 marks intermediate, first year plus second year, 1000 My campus, my campus stood first in the town, 988
wow.
marks. 988 marks for out of thousand marks. Yeah, English plays major role in getting top score because
Oh,
of
yes, sir.
maths, physics, chemistry got full marks, and Sanskrit also out of 100 Sanskrit top students get 99 marks Sanskrit, but English plays major role.
Yes.
I think marks were not given in America, only grades.
No, sir, they do give us marks and also percentage, sir.
Percentage also. Okay, right.
Yeah, in the entire state they give us, sir.
Okay. Today we will learn another topic. It's about position of a point with respect to a line.
Yes, sir.
Position of a point with respect to a line.
Yes, sir.
This is a graph. This is a line. Equation of this line is 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
This is origin O. For example, one point is given to you.
Yes, sir.
Say any point of your choice. Any point.
2,9, sir.
Two
Or 1,2, something.
1 comma
1,2, sir.
1 comma 2, right? You know, sorry, it is 3x plus 2y. That means it is 2 units.
Oh,
It is 3
3
units.
units.
You know, how could I say its position? The given equation is 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. If you want to know this point, put y
Yes.
equal to 0 since it is on x-axis. Okay, to know x-intercept, put y is equal to 0.
Y is 0. Yes, sir.
What happens when we put y is equal to 0?
3x minus 6 equals 0.
Right.
And we'll find the x value as 2, sir.
Yes, that's why it is 2.
Yes.
2 comma 0.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's 3 comma 0. Sorry, 0 comma 3.
Yeah. B 0 comma 3. Now, you told one point. What is that point? 1 comma 2.
Yes, sir.
You know, the point 1 comma 2 is here.
Yes, sir.
This is 1 comma 2.
Yes, sir.
Surely it is not lying on the point on the line. You know how to check whether this point 1 comma 2 is lying on the line or not. Just plug in this point on it. If the point 1 comma 2 satisfies that equation, that line, that means that point is on that line. If it is not satisfying, it's not lying on that part, on that line. Check.
Yes.
Plug in 1 comma 2 in that equation.
3 plus 4 minus 6.
Yeah.
So 1, sir.
3 plus 4 minus
Minus 6.
1.
So 1, no, sir.
Is it lying on it or not lying on it?
No, sir.
Not lying on it. Very good. If you mark it correctly, it will be like here. It is here. Clearly, it is here. 1 comma 2, right? Now the question is, if they ask us, check whether the point 1 comma 2 is on that line or not. The question is, if the point 1 comma 2 is lying on that line or not. If that question, if it is that question, we can answer surely the point 1 comma 2 is not on the line 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
But the next level question is, please check if the point 1 comma 2 and origin, getting me? The point
Yes.
1 comma 2 and origin are lying same side of the line or not. You see,
Yes.
practically tell if these 2 points lying on the same side of, clearly the point, this point is not on the line. Clearly, this point is not on the line, right? Now the question is whether these 2 points are same side or, that means which 2 points? Origin and 1 comma 2. Origin 1 and 1 comma 2 are same side of the line or opposite side of the line?
Opposite.
Very good. Opposite side of the line. Origin is one side and 1 comma 2 is another side, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the question. Practically, we can see the point 1 comma 2 is 1 comma 2 and origin are on either side of the line, right? But
Yes.
sometimes it is not possible to answer practically. It may not be possible to draw a line. Okay. For example, some big question is given 23x plus 84y minus 117 is equal to 0. If it is the question, and the point is 17 comma 89. In this case, it is not possible to answer practically, to draw graph. Okay, in that way, in that situation, how can we answer such questions, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
let us see how to answer this question theoretically, not diagrammatically, theoretically, right? See,
Yes.
the given equation is 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Plug in 0 comma 0 in it. Plug in 0 comma 0 in it. What happens?
Minus 6, sir.
Minus 6. No, not completely. And this part only.
Oh, yes, sir. Minus 6 equals 0.
Negative. We get negative, right?
Yes, sir.
Plug in 1 comma 2.
1 comma 2.
Yes.
1, sir.
1 plus, sorry, 3 plus 6. Sorry. 9 plus. We are plugging in 1 comma 2 in it, in this part.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
3 plus 4 minus 6.
Yeah.
So
3
1,
plus 4 minus 6.
1, no, sir.
It is positive, means greater than 0, right?
Yes, sir.
It is negative, means less than 0.
Less than 0.
Origin and the given point gives different signs. One is negative and another one is positive. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Since these 2 points gives different signs, the conclusion is, the answer is that these 2 points lie on either side of the line.
Yes.
Got the point?
Yes.
If the signs are different, origin and that point lie on either side.
Yes, sir.
If the signs are same, that means negative, negative and positive, positive. If the signs are same, those 2
Yes, sir.
points lie on same side.
Yes, sir.
For example, what do you say about the point 1, 1? What is your comment on the point 1, 1? Is it lying on the same side of the origin or opposite side of the origin? With respect to this circle, with respect to this line. Try.
So it will be 3 plus 2 minus 6.
Very good.
Negative 1, sir.
Yeah, negative 1. 0, 0, 0 gives?
Negative 6.
It is?
Opposite to the 9.
No, both have same sign. In the previous example,
Oh, yes, sir.
they have opposite signs, negative, positive. But here, same
Yes.
sign, same sign.
Yes, sir.
So our conclusion is, our answer is 1, 1 and 0, 0
Lie on the line
lie on same side or
of the
opposite side.
opposite sides.
No. See, in the previous example, 0, 0 negative, 1, 2 positive.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. They lie on the side of the
Same side, right? So we can
Yeah.
say simply 1, 1 lies the same side of
the graph,
origin 0, 0.
the origin. Yes, sir.
Right. So we can see practically the point 1, 1 is here.
Yes, sir.
So diagrammatically 1, 1 is here, 0, 0 is here. both points lie on same side, right?
Yes, sir.
For example, the next level of the question, 2 lines are given. When 2 lines are given, and 1 point, they may not be parallel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2 lines are given, and 1 point is given. 1 point is given. 2 lines are given. 1 point is given, and they will ask, please check if the point lying inside of these lines or not.
Yes, sir.
This is it is the point lying inside of those 2 lines.
Yes, sir.
Instead of those 2 lines, and this is not inside of those 2 lines. Okay, that kind of question will be answered right now. We'll check.
Yes.
Let us see how to answer such questions. But basically, we must keep this point in our mind. Origin and the point gives same sign, line same side, opposite sign, either side, right?
Yes.
Now, please see. For good or bad, tomorrow is 14th, April 17th. Sorry, April 14th.
13.
Today 13th, tomorrow 14th.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. To me, in India, tomorrow is 14th.
Yeah.
It is also public holiday.
For what, sir?
Ambedkar Jayanti, birthday,
Oh.
anniversary of Ambedkar,
Yeah.
creator of Constitution.
Yes, sir.
It is also a public holiday. If it is not on Sunday, we have Um, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 6 days continuous holidays,
Oh,
just like Pongal holidays.
yes.
Yeah, because the management gave yesterday holiday because students are in excitement to know the result. That's why
Yes.
they might not attend college. Yeah, very excited students. See, first tell your idea how to solve this sum.
One side of an equilateral triangle is
We learned to
the
find the perpendicular distance from a point to a line in yesterday's class, right? Yeah. Yesterday I watched a video by some person who is contesting. He is big person from Hyderabad contesting as MP. MP
Yes.
contestant from Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
That person, I don't know whether it is correct to announce that name in live or not because it is election time. But
Yes.
I find an interesting point in her interview. She's not
Mm.
appearing in any exam. She's
She,
she told that person is not appearing in any exam. She has one
yes.
hospitals and something, a big personality. But she's practicing IIT.
Oh,
IIT entrance questions, entrance topics. Interviewer asked her, why you are practicing IIT topics, IIT chapters and IIT subjects? She answered, not IIT entrance topics I am practicing that are mathematics, physics and chemistry. The purpose of practicing is not to appear for exam, not to attempt exam.
yes, sir.
She asked that IIT exam is the one of the toughest exam in the world. I think it is the most the toughest exam in the world, no doubt to
Yes.
say. When practicing and when preparing for that, certain topics stimulate certain areas of our brain.
Yes, sir.
Certain top, so for example, you are preparing geometry. Okay, if you prepare, if you understand, or if you learn, or if you practice toughest geometry questions, that stimulates some particular area of your brain, that strengthen the particular muscles of brain. That's
Yes,
the
sir.
reason I was surprised. So for that purpose, that means to strengthen her mind, to stimulate her mind, to increase her brain power, she's practicing IIT topics, IIT syllabus. More than same as IIT, same as like you. She's preparing. I will send you, if possible. I will send you that interview also. That means oh, if we focus more on especially mathematics topics, definitely consequently our brain will be strengthened. Definitely strengthened. The same factor is there in the book Mental Fitness.
Yes.
One main point, I like that point very much. Use or lose.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, if we use some particular areas in our brain, we will strengthen it. If we don't use, definitely someday we will lose it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that was a great thing. And she also had tutors to teach her IIT topics. Now she is
Oh,
contestant for MP. Right, see. One side, yeah, that's why if you think deeply, definitely, if you practice thinking deeply, definitely our brain will be strengthened. See,
yes.
this is a thought-provoking question. One side of an equilateral triangle is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. See, first imagine in our brain, in our mind, an equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle.
Yes, sir.
All sides are equal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One of its sides is 3x plus 4y is equal to 7, or 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Notice that it is not to scale.
Yes.
The previous diagram is okay, is according to scale. Did you see in that example? We drew it according to scale, but it is not to scale, right?
Yes, sir.
See, only one side is given, and its vertex is 1, 2. One of its vertex is 1, 2.
Yes.
Now, we may have doubt. Equilateral triangle has 3 vertices: A, B, C. Now I am asking you, what is that vertex? In the question, it is given one of its vertex is 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Which vertex is that? Do you think that is it
C,
A,
sir.
or C, or B?
I think it's C, sir. Isn't it?
C. How could you say?
Graphically, it's C, sir.
Yes. Because it satisfies 3. First of all, if that point doesn't satisfy 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0, it should be B. But see, 1, 2 is satisfying or not?
3 plus 8 minus 7.
3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is
11, sir.
11 minus 7.
It's not equal to 0, sir.
Yeah, it's not satisfying that equation. So, it's neither A nor C.
Yes, sir.
The equation is 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Since that point not satisfying, it should be neither A nor C, right?
Yes, sir.
So that point should be
B, sir.
B only. Yeah, in that case, we use our logic, right?
Yes.
Now, then the length of the side of the triangle, any side, all the 3 sides are same, yes?
Yes, sir.
Length of each side or length of side is asked. For example, we may get this side or that side, right?
Yes, sir.
How to get that side? Simple. Drop one perpendicular from B to AC. Drop one perpendicular from B to AC. This is perpendicular. Dropped from B to AC, right?
Yes.
In yesterday's class, we learned how to find the perpendicular distance, that is a red line, from a point to a line. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
From a point to line, we know how to find this distance, right?
Yes, sir.
And let the side be A. Let this side of equilateral triangle be A. Then half of it, half of this side, clearly it is half of A by 2. Right? This part. For example, if it be AD, let AC is equal to A units, small a units. Then DC will be half of it, A by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Now BD is going to be calculated right now. BD is about to calculate right now, right?
Yes, sir.
BC. What about BC? If AC is equal to small a, then BC is also small a. If AC is small a, then BC is also small a, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle.
Oh, A by 2
Yeah.
whole
Use
square.
Pythagoras.
A by 2 whole square plus.
This value. First of all, we need to get this value. BD, try to get this value. Find the perpendicular distance from 1, 2 to the line 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0.
Perpendicular says it x1 plus.
Yes. That is 3 times 1 plus 4 times 2 minus 7. It's already calculated 1. 1 by root 2 over 3 square.
3 square plus 4 square.
Yes.
16 plus 9. Is it 25?
25.
Yeah, 5,
That is
sir.
5.
1
by 5. It is 1 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Now calculate A square plus A by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 5 whole square. Okay.
Sir, A by 2 whole square plus
A square.
1 by 5 whole square equals A square. No, sir.
A by 2 whole square plus
1 by 5 whole square equals a square. No, sir.
Yeah, yeah. By solving that equation, we can find it's equal. All right. Solve it.
A square, sorry, a by 2
Just
square.
wait. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes. Do it. Do it.
a by
A
a by
square
2
plus
whole square plus 1 by 5 whole square equals a square.
Yes, very good. Very good. You are right.
A square by 4 by 25 equals a square.
Very good. Bring a square by 4 to that side.
So 1 by 25 equals a square minus a square by 4.
Right.
So 4a square minus a square. So 1 by 25 equals 3.
Yes. 3 a square by 4. Very good.
A square by 4
Right.
equals
Yeah, use that space. Okay, okay. Carry
yes,
on. Go ahead.
70 a square.
Yes, is equal to
4 by 75.
4. 75 a square is equal to 4. 4 ones are 4. A square is equal to 4 by 75. Yes, you are right.
Yes.
Very good.
A equals root of 4 by 75. That's
Of
oh god.
75. Yes.
2 of root 75.
Root 75 means
2 of 75.
yeah, 25 root 25 times 3.
Yes, sir. 25 times 3. So 5 root 3.
Yes, very good. Correct only. Go ahead.
So it will be what? It will be 2. Oh gosh. 2 by root 5.
5 root.
5 root.
5 root 3. Yes, it's the correct answer.
Yes.
But it's not there in the. Let me check it. 3x plus 4y minus
I
7.
might have.
Yeah, let us have a check on it.
Yes, I'll erase it.
Yeah.
1 second. Yeah.
No need to worry. The point 1, 2. Okay. First of all, let us find BD. BD is equal to mod of 1, 2. 3 ones are 3, 4 twos are 8, minus 7 over the square root of a square plus b square. 9 plus 16. Sorry, it is not 1 by 5.
Oh, sir, but
Yeah,
it's 4
previous
by. Oh, yes, sir. 4.
3 plus 8, 11. 11 minus 8, 4. Yes, agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I only told you it is 1 by 5, not 1 by 5, right? It's mistake from my side. It's not 4 by 5. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 minus 7, 4.
Yes, sir.
It is 4 by 5, right?
Yes.
Mistakenly, I told as 1 by 5. Because in this previous exam, we got 1 now by substituting that particular point. Yeah, okay, leave it. BD is equal to 4 by 5, right? Now, use the same formula. That means a square plus a by 2 whole square, a square by 4, a square plus a square by 4 is equal to 4 by 5 whole square, right?
Yes.
Now, sorry. 4 by 5 whole square plus a square by 4
Yes, sir.
is equal to a square. It is 16 by 25 is equal to a square minus a square by 4. LCM 4. 4a square minus a square. 3a square by 4. Cross multiplication 64 is equal to 75a square. As we did previously, a square is equal to 64 by 75.
Yes, sir.
That implies a is equal to the square root of 64 by 75.
Yes, sir. 8.
8 by 5 root 5 root, right?
Root. Yes, sir.
Yes, but there is no such answer.
Or we multiplied by.
Yes. Even then we need not worry. Root 3 by root 3. 8 times root 3 is 8 root 3. By 5 into
15.
root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is, you know?
Yes, sir. 3, sir.
Root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3. So it is 5 times 3. 8 root 3 by 15, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Option?
Option 3, sir.
Right. Good. Yeah, it is better to solve this sum by verification only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in verification also, if we approach one method, it may not be fruitful. For example, actually, let me explain the question. The equation of the line through the point of intersection of two lines. Two lines are given.
Yes, sir.
This is one line and this is another line. Two lines are given, right?
Yes, sir.
These are the two lines. For example, these are the two lines. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Equation of the line through the point of intersection of this line. This is the point of intersection of those two lines. Right? And
Yes.
distance from 2, minus 1 is 2 units. For example, this is a line. This is a line passing through the point of intersection of those two lines, right?
Yes, sir.
And it has distance 2 units from a point negative 2, 1. Sorry, 2, 1. There is a point 2, negative 1. There is a
Yes,
point 2, negative 1. The system, right? The perpendicular distance from this line is 2 units. Then what is the equation of this line? Equation of this line is asked. Okay, the actual procedure is we must find the point of intersection of these two lines. Right? After, yeah. I am telling traditional, conventional method. First, find the point of intersection of these two lines, right? We can find it. After finding the point of intersection of those two lines, let that point of intersection be x1, y1. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, see. And we know point slope form. Let the equation of the required line be y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. By using this formula, we can find this equation partially, not completely, because we don't know m.
Yes, sir.
And after finding its equation partially, find perpendicular distance from 2, minus 1 to this line. And equate that perpendicular distance to 2. By solving it, we can find the value of m. After finding the value of m, plug in that value of m in this equation. That will be the final answer. It is conventional method. It takes much time, but easy method for objective questions is just verify. We know how to find the perpendicular distance from a point to a line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's why first find point of perpendicular distance from 2, minus 1 to the first option line in the first option. Find the perpendicular distance from 2, minus 1 to the first option. If it is 2, it is correct. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
If it's not 2, it is not correct. That way, check four perpendicular distances. It's an easy way. It is an easy way. First,
Sure.
yeah. Tell the perpendicular distance from 2, -1 to the first option, to the line in the first option.
2, -1, sir.
Yes, from 2, -1 to
So it will be 4 minus 1 plus 5.
yes, 4 minus 1, 4 plus 1. Negative of negative.
Oh, yes, sir. 4 plus 1 plus
5.
5 not equal to 0, sir.
Oh, no. In finding perpendicular distance, we use only this part.
The first part, yes, sir.
Yes. This use this
It's
part
10,
only.
sir.
10 by mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square means
2 square minus 1 whole square.
5.
4, 5, sir, root 5.
Is it equal to 2 or not?
No, sir.
Even after simplification, it surely not equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
That's why perpendicular distance from 2, -1 to the line in the first option is not equal to. That's why surely it is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Go on verifying the remaining options.
8 minus 3.
Very good.
0, sir. So second one.
Oh, no. Use only second. Getting 0.
Yes, sir.
8 minus 3, 5. No, not 0. 8 minus 3, 5. 5.
Oh, yes, sorry. 8 minus 3. So it will
Yes.
be 5 plus 5. 10, sir. It's same as 10 root 5.
No.
No? Sorry.
Okay, numerator is
Sorry,
okay,
sorry.
but denominator is not root 5.
Yeah. It's 4 square plus 9. 25. 5, sir. It's
Yeah.
2, sir.
Very good. So undoubtedly, only this option is correct.
Yes, sir.
We need not check x plus 2 is equal to 0 because it's very clear. Without calculation, we can say whether a perpendicular distance to this line is equal to or not. Clearly not equal to 2. Because
Yes, sir.
if you substitute 2 plus 2, 4 by 1. So option
Yes, sir.
is wrong. If check option 4, 3 to the 6 minus 1, 5 plus 5, 10. Of course 10.
Yes.
Numerator is 10, but denominator is root 10.
Yes, sir.
So clearly which option is correct? Option 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
See, use your knowledge to answer this question.
The equation of the line.
Equations of the lines. The equations of the lines parallel to 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
A distance of 4 units from it. Yeah, in the previous classes we learned how to take parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Do you remember I taught you how to take perpendicular lines and also parallel lines? For example, if we have a line that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. For example, if it is that line, and a line perpendicular to it, how to take a line perpendicular to it? Perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This perpendicular line can be taken as, do you remember? X coefficients and y coefficients are interchanged.
Yes, sir.
And sign is opposite. The middle sign is opposite.
Yes, sir.
What is the line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? It is bx. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Bx plus ay.
Minus. Sign should be opposite.
Minus ay.
Bx minus ay plus some constant k is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
It is a perpendicular line, right?
Yes, sir.
For example, if we want to take a parallel line, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is a parallel line. This line is parallel to that line, right?
Yes,
do you
sir.
remember how to take parallel lines? Same x term, same y term, different constant.
Different constants. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So this parallel line can be taken as ax plus by plus k is equal to 0.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Parallel lines, same x term, same y term, different constant. Perpendicular lines, xy coefficients are interchanged and middle sign is opposite. Not only middle sign, any of the signs, x term sign or y term sign is changed, right?
Yes.
Now observe this question carefully. The equations of the lines parallel to 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. The required line is parallel to 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0.
Yes.
The required lines are parallel to 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Parallel. So the required lines can be taken as, tell how to take the required lines, since the required lines are parallel to 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So how to take
3x
lines?
plus 3x plus
No, not perpendicular. This is perpendicular condition. This is perpendicular condition, but it is parallel condition. See, it is parallel or perpendicular.
parallel, sir.
So what is parallel condition? Same x term, same y term.
Oh, but the constant is different.
Yes, right.
So 4x plus 3y plus k equals 0.
Very good. 4x plus 3y plus some constant k is equal to 0. This is the required length. Okay. And the given hint is, yeah, and a distance of 4 units from it. Distance of
Yes.
4 units from it.
Yes, sir.
4 units from it means the required line is C. For example, this is the given line. What is the given
Yes.
line? 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the given line, right?
Yes, sir.
The required lines are parallel to it, and at a distance of 4 units from it. So this is the required line. The required
Yes.
line distance from the given line is 4 units. Why we emphasize on yes required lines, because why plural is there? Because there are two lines which are at a distance of 4 units from the given line. This is one line. This is also at a distance of 4 units.
Yes, sir.
Right? This is also at a distance of 4 units, right? We need to find the equation. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember how to find the distance between parallel lines? I told you once. For example, yeah, ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. It is one line. And ax plus by plus c2, ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 is another line. Clearly, these two lines are parallel lines. Agree?
Yes, sir.
How can we say that these two lines are parallel? Because having same and the mathematical word, the mathematical term to say those two lines are parallel, xy coefficients are proportional. Here we should use the word proportional, right? Yeah, in this case, xy terms are proportional. That's why these two lines are parallel. Clearly, these two lines are parallel. How to find the distance between parallel lines? Do you remember? That is mod of c1 minus c2 by the square root of a square plus b square.
Yes.
Distance between parallel lines formula is this, right?
Yes.
Now let us find the distance between 3x plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0. Find the distance between them and equate it to 4. Now continue. Tell the perpendicular distance from those two lines and equate it to 4. Yes,
So
mod
perpendicular.
Yeah, mod of c1 minus c2 means
Mod of
k, right? K
yes,
minus
sir.
2 or c2 minus k. Any both is correct.
K minus 2
by the square root of
4 square.
Very good. 16
plus 9.
Very good. It should be equal to 4 because
Yes,
the distance is given as 4 units, right? Go ahead.
K minus 2 equals
Yeah,
20.
mod of k minus 2 by
K equals, sir, K equals 22, sir.
just wait. What is denominator?
5, sir.
Very good. 5. You have done cross multiplication.
Yes, sir. 5 times 4,
Mod,
20.
yes, it is 20. Very good. But of course, your answer is right. But partially correct, not fully correct, because it has mod.
Oh,
Yeah, to remove mod, there are two options, two cases. One is positive and another one is negative. That means if mod of k minus 2 is equal to 20, that means k minus 2 is equal to either plus 20 or minus 20. And k minus 2 is equal to minus 20 because mod is there. Whenever you remove, you open mod, put there arises two cases. Take two cases. One case is
Sir,
positive.
it will be 18, no, sir.
Yeah, k is equal to either 22
Or
or 18.
negative 8.
Negative
Negative
18.
18.
So replace k by 22 and negative 18. That is the answer.
Yes. Oh, yes, sir.
By replacing k by 22 and replacing k by minus 18 gives the correct answer.
Yes.
Choose the correct option.
Says it option 2.
Very good, very good. We will have a special discussion on modulus because there is much there are much points to discuss on modulus. Have you ever come
Yes.
across the concept of modulus?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You also go through Kindle store and search any useful book, and if you find it, just download sample copy.
Yes, sir. I will.
I will go through that sample copy, and if I find it useful, I will get full copy. Whenever you
Yes.
have time, you go through Kindle edition. Already, recently, I first got sample copy, and I find it very useful, and I purchased the full copy. Right? Yeah.
Yes.
One more facility is there for our Kindle account. That is, I have purchased Kindle Unlimited. Kindle Unlimited means
Yes.
that means so many lakhs of books are there in Kindle store.
Yes, sir.
Which can be read free of cost.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, that is Kindle and Zero. For example, in our library, many books are available freely.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in some cases, even sad books are there with free of cost. That means for members only. Yeah, Whenever you just feel you are in library when you browse in Kindle library, Kindle store. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if you have time, suggest books. A point which lies. Yeah, this is the question. Yeah, a point which lies between
2x plus
right.
3y minus 7.
Let us have a small discussion on this concept. X-axis, and I strongly suggest you. Don't miss the books in Kindle. Secret.
Yes, sir.
I have already sent you digital copy of Secret, right?
Yes.
And Kindle book is there. The Power. Can you see? Recently,
Yes, sir.
I purchased a hard copy of the same book.
Shakti. Yes, sir.
Oh, can you read Telugu?
Little bit, sir. I can't fluently read, but I'll take time.
Okay. This is the Telugu version of that Kindle book. Power, The
Yes.
Power. That is a must-read book available in Kindle. Complete book, not sample. Complete book is there. I purchased a complete full book. The Power. It gives tips to get energy. It is from the author Rhonda, who is a sensational writer of Secret. Very little books are from that writer. The Secret, world sensational book, The Secret, and movie is also there in OTTs, and I think in YouTube also. The same book, The Power, The Hero, and the Power, The Hero, The Secret. Yeah, only 3 or 4 books. Within the book, she became a millionaire or billionaire only from that book. she was expelled from her rented house, not for not paying rent. From that stage, she has become world famous celebrity only because of the book The Secret.
Yes.
It was said by her, yeah, it was said by her in the beginning of her book and also in documentary also. It is
Yes.
worth reading that book. Yeah, and one interesting point in that book is at the entrance point is 95% of the wealth on this planet. Getting me?
Ye- Yes.
90, yeah, it is good example and fact. 95% of the wealth on this planet is at with 1% of the people, 1% of the population of the people.
Yes.
1% of the people like Bill Gates and some Warren Buffett, like this. These are the 1% of the people in the whole world. These are 1% of people. 1% of people captured 95% of the wealth on this in this world.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they explained this point why they could have achieved that level. Yeah, first give priority to read The Secret. See, here a point which lies between 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3. Do you have with the same copy, digital copy, PDF?
For
Once I told The Secret.
yes, sir.
Yeah, if you have, please resend it to me. I missed it while updating my system. That means, yeah, replace some hard disk in my system. I missed it. If you have, resend it to me. The Secret.
Yes, sir.
Copyright. See, observe carefully a point which lies between 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0, right? See, if it is one line and it is another line.
Yes, sir.
These are the two lines. And we are asked to choose one point among the 4 points, right? Which lies between these two lines. That means among these 4 points, which point lies between these two lines? Between these two lines, right? The position of that point must be like this and not like this. If your point is like this, it is not between the lines.
Yes, sir.
Do you think that is this point lies between the lines?
No, sir.
No. This is the point lies between the lines. This is the point lies between the lines. This is the point lies between the lines, right?
Yes.
So how to find that point which lies between the lines, right?
Yes, sir.
Take one point. For example, take 5, 1, right?
Yes.
Plug in this point in this part of the first line.
10 plus 3 minus 7.
Positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Right. Positive, right? It is positive. Plug in same point in the second line.
10 plus 3 plus 12. Positive, sir.
Positive. Both are positive, right?
Yes, sir.
That means, yeah. To answer this question, one should positive and another should negative. The conclusion for this discussion is one should positive, one should negative. Then only that point lies between the lines. Check for that point. Check remaining 3 options.
Negative 2 plus 9. Negative, sorry, 7. 7 minus 7, 0.
Right?
Positive. Then
Yes.
negative 2 plus 9.
Right.
7 plus 12. Positive, sir. It's
Right.
not optional.
Yeah.
6 minus 15. Negative, negative plus negative, negative. That will be a negative answer, sir. And 6 minus 15.
One is positive, another one is negative.
Yes, sir. Minus. For third one, sir.
Third one,
Yeah, it will be 6 minus 15.
yeah, 6 minus 15, that is minus 9.
Yes, sir. Minus 9
Minus 9
minus 1.
minus 7 minus 16.
Yes, sir.
For this point, line 6 minus 15 plus 12, right? Very good.
Minus 9 plus
Positive.
12. Yes, sir.
This is the correct answer.
Yes.
Same, repeated. Yeah, I think it is editing mistake, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very interesting question. The lines so and so and so are concurrent. Do you know what is concurrent? Being concurrent,
Mm, they
have a common point.
yeah, concurrent. Yes, sir.
Concurrent. Yeah. Solution of the first two lines. Point of intersection of first two lines lies on the third line.
Yes, sir.
The shortcut to check whether given points are concurrent or not. Det of. Have I learned you how to find the det of? A,
X, B.
C.
Yes, sir.
B, C, A. Is it holiday to you also?
So it's Friday evenings.
Yo,
Saturdays.
Friday, not Friday evening. By evening to me will be Saturday morning.
So now it's Saturday morning for you now, sir.
Evening of to me. Today's evening to me.
It'll be
Saturday's morning.
Saturday morning, sir.
Yeah. If you have time, you may join evening. I will have class for the secondary students on interview. MSET previous questions.
Yes, sir, I'll see, sir. I have a general checkup tomorrow. So I'll check with my doctor's timing.
General, yeah. General.
General checkup, sir.
Okay.
With
From
me,
school? From school?
No, sir, doctor. I have a.
Okay.
We have to go for general checkup.
Right. Okay. Right.
CAB. Yeah.
CAB, right. Yeah. Do you remember how to find its value? That did I teach you?
Yes, sir. We went through this, but we didn't go exact. I mean,
I will explain about this that clearly next class. Okay. If by chance try to attempt a question paper, I will send to you a link whenever you have time.
Yes, sir.
I'm preparing because it is a holiday for me. To me, if I get time, I am preparing a question on straight lines, question paper.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
By clicking that link, you can answer it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Tanika. See you in the next class. Bye. Good
Yes,
night.
sir. Have a good day, sir.